Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we are going to talk about top 3 broking stocks that you can invest into. Again, these are personal picks based on certain observations that I have seen. So, you do your research, fundamental analysis before going ahead and investing into any of these stocks. So, without wasting much of a time, here we go. As you see on your screen, there are a lot of companies, financial brokers who are listed on Nifty, and if you see on the stock market, a lot of companies are listed. So it becomes really difficult to go ahead and understand which is the company that you can go ahead and invest into. But if you see, one challenge with stock broking is that the market cap is on the lower side. If you see, the highest is about 15,000 crore, that is around a mid cap stock, and rest all, if you see, they are like too low to be called even a mid cap. So it's small cap companies. So as you know that it's really risky to go ahead and invest into small cap companies, because you'd never know if there is some issues that happen within the company might just shut off, and your investments, your hard earned money would go for it was going to be a big loss for you. So instead, we recommend you to go ahead and invest just a little portion of your total investment into this segment. And if you're doing that, we have top three stocks wherein you can actually invest from a longer perspective. So let's start and see which is the first stock on our list. The first broking stock on the list is ICICI Securities. If you see, in 2016 it was trading somewhere around 400, and from there it went down to the 200 levels in 2018-19, and it was there for a longer period of time. Then it again went up to that level of 500 in about just late of 2019, and from there again due to COVID it dropped down to 230, and from there a V-shaped recovery, and now it is trading at around 477. So I feel that with the COVID situation, a lot of demat accounts were opened in India, and with that being said, ICIC Securities will surely gain in the coming perspective. Let's see some about technical analysis on the chart. So if you see 1 year returns, it's 26% returns. That's what it has given. And if you see a 2 years return, it is about 117% return that it has given. Talking about fundamentals, if you see, the PE ratio is below the industry PE at 14.4, which makes it a very good buy at this level. Talking about the results that the company has given in the past, if you see, the net sale has always gone up. 480 crores is what it was in 2020 March, and now it has gone up to whopping 739 crores. If you talk about the profit after tax, 155 crores is what it was delivering in 2020 March. At the moment it is delivering around 329 crores. So it is a very good stock. If you see annual returns, so net sales about 1400 crores in 2017, it has gone up to 2586 crores in March 21st, that's this year. If you talk about profit after tax, it has again shown substantial growth. In 2017 they were giving a profit after tax of 338 crores. Now it is giving about 1067 crores on consolidated. So very good ratio. I think it is one of those stocks which will surely start shining, if not now, in some days for sure. If you see, the promoters are holding about 75% of shares. Yes, it has dropped from the 79% in 2020, but 75% is a huge number, which shows terrific trust within the company, and I'm pretty sure that this stock is going to be doing good in the coming future as Indians start opening a lot of accounts, demat accounts for sure, and start investing. So if you check the corporate actions, it has given dividend of about 8 rupees in November 6.7 rupees in August, and so on. So the dividend is also good, one of those aspects that you can look into for sure. Let's see what's the second stock on the list. Number two on the list is Angel Broking. 250 is what it was listed in October 2020. From that time, it has gone up to 556, which is a incredible return that the stock has given. I'm pretty sure with the number of Indians starting investing in the last 1 year, the stock is surely going to go move upwards. They have launched a lot of new schemes. Earlier they were charging brokerage of X amount. Now they have reduced that brokerage, but since that is an attractive offer, a lot of people are moving towards Angel as well. Just to tell you, we are not talking about the stock account opening right here. It's a proper stock analysis that we are trying to do and give you the best of the best. Talking about the technical bit, if you see, the stock is just listed recently. It in the last 6 months, it has given about 79.96% returns. Talking about the results, it has in 2019-12 it was giving about 178 crores of net sales. It has gone up to 408 crores in 2021. Profit after tax has jumped as well from 27 crores. It has gone up to 101 crores. So terrific reason for the stock to grow on the upper side. 56.73% shares in 2016 were held by the promoters. At the moment, it is about 44.55, which is also like a little lesser than 50, but still it's manageable for sure. In this short period, the stock has also given dividends of about 7.5 per share, and then again 4.15 per share. Let's see which is the third stock on the list. Number three on the list is 5 Pesa Capital. If you see, it was trading around 200 to that 100 level in 2016, and from there it has gone up to 367. So it is a good ratio at the moment. But since it is a small cap stock, it's usually expected to be a little more volatile and risky compared to the large cap and the mid cap stocks. Let's see something about the technical bits. Okay, so the returns that the stock has given in 1 year is about 114%, and if you see 2 year returns, it's about 107%. Talking about the fundamentals of the company, if you see, the PE ratio is very like above the industry PE. It's almost like 2x or more than that. So I think there is a major correction that you can expect in this stock before you go ahead and invest into this stock. Talking about the results, 35 crores is what it was giving in last year 2020 March, and now it is giving about 49.53 crores, so it is a positive. But the numbers are really minuscule, so you can consider, if you check the profit after tax is it was about 1.7 cr minus in 2020, and now it is about 5.86 crores in profits. Talking about annual returns, if you see, 7.47 crores is what it was giving in 2017. From there, it has gone up to 192 crores. So it's a positive right there. And if you see profit after tax, this is the first year wherein the company has gone into a profit. So yes, if you see some corrections, you can go ahead and add a little bit of stocks into this, but it's all into your zone. If you do think that the stock is good, you can consider getting into this stock, because this is one of those stocks which looks better than the other broking stocks for sure. Promoters are holding about 34% of shares, which is on the lower side. So yes, again, we are just discussing these stocks. If you feel that yes, this can actually help you, you can go for it, and you can go ahead and invest into these stocks as well. So that is it from our side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. Do share with your friends. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, or else you will miss out a lot of fun.